What's up, gang? I'm back. In this video, I'm just doing the long cap quick weave, and y'all gonna see me molding down her hair, which is what I'm doing right now, and I'm using black gel. A lot of people ask me how to mold down the hair properly, so that's why this part of the video is kind of long. But yeah, I just put the black gel on there. I use ampro black gel, and I just smooth it through. And it depends on the hair texture how much you have to comb it. So yeah, I just had to get some more gel because there wasn't enough. But I'm going to go back in there and I'm going to smooth the back up. I'm still going to smooth it out. And I'm pulling it back into a ponytail, y'all. But when y'all put this ponytail up in these people's head, make sure that you put it flat so it won't be no hump. And right here, you're going to see me grab like 2 rubber bands. They just the regular size rubber bands. Black rubber bands, and I'm gonna smooth it back with my hand, and I'm gonna grab it. Don't grip it too tight, y'all, because y'all don't want that ponytail to be tight back there. Also, do not wrap that rubber band around their hair tight. You do not want a tight ponytail. I also leave out a little edges, you know, just so the cap won't pull. It's so messed up because when nobody in the shop gonna tell me that I was that ashy. Like, how y'all just let me? Anyway, you're gonna split the ponytail and comb through it, and then you're just gonna push it and mold it up. After y'all mold it up, I want you to smooth it out. So you can just take your hand or take the comb or whatever, just like I'm doing, and smooth it out. Now, after you smooth it out, you're gonna take you a black wig cap. Right here, you're gonna see me going in with some glue. I'm just going around the perimeter of the cap with the glue. It's up to you if you want to do that. That's just a method that I like. Then after I trace the perimeter, I'm gonna go in there with some spritz, and I'm gonna spritz that thing up real good. Take her to the dryer, and we're gonna put her on the dryer, and then she dry. Then I'm gonna put some Morning Glory on her hair. This helps the glue, you know, not to sink through the cap. Then we came through, y'all. Okay, so I had to spread these tracks out so bad because she had 2 packs of pack hair, and it was 20 inch, and you know the longer pack hair is, the less hair they give you. So you're gonna see me tracking this hair in, but y'all gonna see me spreading them tracks out so far because I had to. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I think my elbows be ashy in most of my videos. It's all good as long as I understand the assignment with this hair. So I'm about to crimp her hair, and I forgot to show y'all or even record a video clip of me crimping her hair. But I used the BedHead crimper. It's like it's green and silver. I'm gonna upload a picture of it in my next video. Of the crimps. Yeah. Hey, I will be adding this hairstyle to the side to book soon. Thank you guys for watching. This video is for my girls who was, DMing me or messaging me about how do you mold down? What do you use? What do you with the mold down? This was for y'all because, I got y'all back. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.